In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set up a VPN using Microsoft Edge. Whether you're looking to enhance your privacy or access geo-restricted content, following these simple steps will help you get connected in no time. First, we're going to start by launching Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once you have it open, the next thing you want to do is direct your gaze to the very top right corner of your browser. You'll notice three small dots arranged vertically. These dots are your gateway to more options, offering you a range of tools to enhance your browsing experience. Go ahead and click on those three dots, which will open a drop-down menu. This menu is packed with possibilities, but for now, we're interested in one specific option. So, take a moment to scroll through until you find the More Tools option. Once you've located it, give it a click. This action opens up even more features, giving you access to additional functionalities of the Edge browser. As we continue, one of the features listed under More Tools is what we're focusing on today, and that's Secure Network. By selecting this option, you're moving one step closer to fortified internet safety. Click on Secure Network, and it will navigate you to the necessary interface needed to continue. Now, here's where the magic begins. A VPN, or virtual private network, is a tool to encrypt your internet traffic, making your browsing more secure and private. On the page you are on, you'll find an option that says, Get VPN for free. Clicking on this option initiates the process of setting up a VPN through Microsoft Edge. It's as simple as that. By choosing Get VPN for free, you'll be activating a secure network provided directly within the browser, allowing you to browse the web safely without the hassle of downloading any additional software. Simply follow the on-screen prompts, and you're ready to go. With these few steps, you've now set yourself up with a VPN straight from Microsoft Edge. This process not only helps protect your data, but also gives you peace of mind as you surf the web. Knowing that your information is secure and privacy is upheld lets you make the most of your internet time. There you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to setting up a VPN through Microsoft Edge. Whether you're a tech expert or a beginner, I hope you found these instructions easy to follow and beneficial. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to join us for more tech tips in our next video.